our reason to also come again this time, because formerly it used to be once, but I'm sure by God's grace next year it will be 3 times or 4 times. So we're in the last lap of our race. We've gone around Abuja, Lagos, to sensitize the public and the corporate world about plans for the race. But the first time, this time around, we are going to do a presentation to His Excellency, is running BIB. We have 2 sets of BIB. And because my consultants here, they choose to come and do everything about the BIB themselves this year. So they are running it independently. We are not concerned. So I'm sure Yasa is going to throw more light about the BIB. But first, I would like to present to His Excellency. We are going to do 2 presentations to you. Can you? So you take the next process of talking about the BIB, and he will present the BIB to you.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you for having me here in Nigeria and Edo State. It's always a great pleasure to be here. We've been involved with the race for a couple of years now, and we always try to improve upon the previous year. And this year, we, in agreement with Mr. Mike, we said, okay, let us take over the accreditation, make sure that every participant can be identified through the BIP number. So this is the BIP number, and the reason why it's so important is, first and foremost, to be able to identify the person. It is fairly hot in Edo State. It is a very competitive, very fast race. So there is always the chance that people get tired, they might faint. So the only point of verification for a participant that is out is his BIP number. Because if he has a number, a unique number, or his name on the number, we can track it back, we can contact emergency contacts, we can find out his blood type and everything, and we can support him as fast as possible. So if you permit me, I'd be honored to present you your BIP.
We decided to give it a gold color to highlight it as well, and we look forward to seeing you on the finish line with it.
On behalf of the government and good people of Edo State, we welcome you again to this year's Okpekpe race, and we welcome our visitors from UAE and another part of the country to Benin City this morning. The race is getting better and better every year, and that is our joy. And when we cast our mind back to when we started, we look forward to being silver, gold, but the real target really is diamond. That is, we want to be diamond. That is where we are. And for us to get to that diamond, it means that every of the edition must be in line with international standard practice, and we must improve in every race that we have in Edo State. I'm happy this year. Every year there's one new thing that has added. technology aspect of it, and the start and the end, the finish line, using technology to track, and also being able to run this race, even without you needing to bring any cameraman to come and be videoing how you run. From the chiefs, I'm told, all you need to do after the race is just to download the app and you see yourself running from the start to finish. I think that is one new thing that we have added this year. So I want to congratulate the organizers of Okpekpe race and to say that we are on the right track to getting our target of the German race. And also, I'm also happy that other communities in that area are also being enlisted into participating. Our students are also joining, and from Saturday and the environs, doing a 1.5 kilometer race, selecting 100 people from there to also join the Okpekpe race. That is another new innovation that we are putting today. But another one is getting the student involved and making them not just for the race only, but to also learn the skill of management. We are happy, and I pray this year there will be offset so that for the first time maybe Nigeria can win. And I also challenged some of us from Okpekpe and this environment that this time we should be able to, if we cannot beat the international athlete, at least we should win the Nigeria one. And I'm sure some of them have been training, so I'm looking forward to an offset. And on our own part, as government, as usual, we will do everything possible to make sure that lives and property are well protected, and we guarantee security of everybody that will be participating. That is key to the race also. On behalf of the governor and good people of Edo State, we are happy to host Okpekpe race this year again. And just like we promised, every year will be better, and this year will definitely be better than last year. And new records, we are hoping to see new records being set and old one being broken. And we are seriously hoping for an upset where at least one Nigerian can beat the international athletes. We are hoping to have that, because it's not actually only them that can run this race. People from the north, Plateau State and the rest, I know that's why we've actually had the female runners from Plateau been winning this. So we pray they will be upset this year. So having said that, I'm looking forward to setting my own best time this year. Once again, welcome, and I wish all of us that will come to participate in this race, in each free Okpekpe race 2023.